Good morning, everyone. This is Nida SGS9. It's been a quiet evening in my bedroom, just relaxing and finishing my dinner. Right now, I'm watching Netflix. I'm watching Car Masters Rust to Riches. It's a car rebuilding show. I like it very much. I would recommend it. It's very good. It's on Netflix and it has about 4 seasons. They take rusty old cars and build them into masterpieces. A normal car restoration show. It's a great one. I would recommend it. It's on Netflix. Take care and have a great night, everyone. This has been Night SGS9. Thanks for watching.